How to update your YouTube app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update your YouTube app. So first thing, go to YouTube and go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go to the settings option here and go down until you find about. Click on about to see your YouTube version, if it is an old version. Or what you have to do to update it is go to Play Store and search for YouTube on Play Store and click on it, and here in the green option you will find update. Click on update and your YouTube will be updated easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much for watching.